In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day promoting Clickbank products on YouTube. Now, as you know, YouTube is one of my favorite platforms because it is responsible for me making this award that's right behind me. So watch this entire video if you want to learn how to make money with Clickbank and YouTube in 2021. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want to know my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, go to alstongodbolt.com/start or click the first link in the description. All right, so as you know, I love YouTube because it is an incredible opportunity to get in front of a targeted audience. There are billions of monthly searches on YouTube. People are going there to be entertained and they're looking to have their problems solved. So it's also a very good opportunity to promote Clickbank products. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. So what we're going to do is we're going to find a high converting product over on Clickbank, and then I'm going to show you how to find keywords and key phrases so that you can start making passive income fast. So first things first is we need to find a product over on Clickbank. So go to clickbank.com and create an account if you haven't done so already. Once you've created an account, head over to the marketplace. This is where we're going to find different products to promote. What we can do is we can either go to e-business, we can go to investing. There are a number of different opportunities that we can take a look at to find different products to promote. What we're going to do is we're going to jump down to health and fitness, and we're going to click this triangle here, and we can see there are a number of different opportunities within health and fitness. What I want to do, I want to find diets and weight loss. So when I click diets and weight loss, I'm going to sort by gravity. Gravity is going to tell me that there are affiliates that are having success promoting this product or service. So when I sort by gravity, we find the custom keto diet. Now, if you don't know about keto, it's a way to lose weight. It's very good for all different types of people that are overweight, people that have underlying health conditions like diabetes. The keto diet can really change someone's life. So what we need to do is we need to do a couple things. First, we want to take a look at the sales page, and we want to take a look at the affiliate page. This is going to give us a lot of information that we could potentially use to start making passive income. So when I look at the sales page, it's going to give us a very basic page with a video sales letter. When we click on this, it goes through a quiz. You complete the quiz, and then you can potentially start paying money, and that's when you would receive a commission. The other thing that we can do is we can take a look at the affiliate page where we'd have to create a free account. So I'm just going to do this real quick, and then let's see, enter in an email address, and then we can access affiliate tools. All right, so now that we're inside, we have a wealth of information. We can create our affiliate links, all of this different stuff that they've done for us. This means that it's a very good product. The more information that these different vendors provide for us, the better that we are at our job, and the more money that we make them, and the more money we could potentially make ourselves. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump all the way down to keywords. Keywords is going to help us figure out how to get in front of our target audience. What we're going to do is we're just going to click download, and this is going to give us a list of keywords that we could potentially create content on. When I click on this, we open this up, and it's going to give us this list. So what we'd want to do is we want to take a look and potentially use some of these keywords right into YouTube. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So now that we have a potential list of keywords, I'm just going to slide this over here, and then we need to go back and we need to get our hop link. So a hop link is our unique URL that we use in order to track commission sales. What we're going to do is we're going to click this promote button. It's going to pop up with this hop link generator, and I'm just going to type in YouTube. As you can see, it's there for me. When I click generate hop links, this is our unique URL. Now you have two options. You can either use a link shortener like bit.ly, or you can do a URL redirect. For example, when you go to alstongodbolt.com/start, that's a redirect that goes to my landing page. I personally recommend using the redirect because it helps with branding. It makes it look a little bit more official. But if you don't have the time or patience to set one of those up, you can just copy the hop link like I've done and then go over to bit.ly. At the very least, I recommend that you create a free bit.ly account. And when you create the free account, you just click on create here at the top, paste in that URL, and then it's going to generate a hop link for you. As you can see, it gives it a title, and then you're going to copy this URL, and then you're going to put it in the description of all of your YouTube videos. Now, I'm not going to go into setting up a YouTube account. There are tons of other videos for that. And so what we're going to do is we're going to get right into the keyword research, and we're going to get into the content. So if I open up YouTube here, as you can see, youtube.com, and I'm going to drag this back over. So these are our keywords that we can use. What we can do is we can go to alcohol on a keto diet. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste that right in here, and I'm going to hit the space bar to see if people are creating this type of videos. As you can see, people are creating these videos. Alcohol on keto, best alcohol on keto diet, Can you drink alcohol on keto? These are 3 opportunities for you to create content. So if I just hit enter, you can see people are creating content. The top result from a year ago has 205,000 views. The result below it from 3 years ago, 708,000 views. This is a very good opportunity for you to create content. And if you wanted to get even more cute, you could type in 2021 or whatever year you're watching this. And as you can see, this actually changes a little bit. What you want to do when you're creating your content is you want to use a website like morningfame.com or even use TubeBuddy. Let me show you what Morning Fame looks like real quick. So if I open this up and I go to Morning Fame, now this is a website that will help you rank on YouTube. What you do is you simply type in your keyword that you find, paste that in, and it's going to come up with a few different options. So we're just going to click on search. And if you're a brand new channel, you want to look at uncommon keywords. The cool thing with Morning Fame is it gives you a breakdown of how competitive this keyword is in relation to your channel. This doesn't just give you a random number. This actually takes your channel information, which you can find at the top here. It takes it into account to help you determine how competitive or how much success you could have when you create this video. So what we're going to do is we're just going to click on your main keyword here. Click on choose for step 2, and then it walks you through the process. It shows you the competition level, where you could potentially rank, and what we could do. Right now we're ranking E, F, F, and A. I'm going to change this and put 2021 to see if that changes. Now with Morning Fame, you want to make sure that your relevance is always an A. Some of these other ones don't necessarily matter, but for relevance, this relevance means how often the keyword shows up in the title here. We are changing this to 2021 and we're going to click search. As you can see, when I add 2021, this makes it a lot less competitive for your channel. So if I were to create a video over on YouTube about alcohol on keto diet, I would do alcohol on keto diet 2021 and I would create this video. See, I could potentially rank in the top 3 because I just added 2021. What we'd want to do is we'd want to go to choose the next step. This doesn't matter here, this red X, that's not that important. We're going to click on choose next step, continue to step 4, and then it gives us our relevancy score. So what we're going to do to make it more relevant is we're going to copy this. We're going to paste that in here like so. As you can see, my relevancy score jumped up. What I want to do is I want to make sure that this is as close to 100 as possible. And to do that, I'm just going to add in my tag here, and my relevancy is at 95. Alcohol and keto diet. This is good enough. And what we want to do next is we want to use these tags in our description. And when you do that, you're using a mix of keywords right into the description, which is going to make you more competitive and give you a better opportunity to rank. Now, if you want to learn more about Morning Fame, it is invite only. There will be a link in the description to get invited to the software. It is not free. It's like $12 a month, but this is probably one of the best pieces of software that you could invest in if you are planning on growing a YouTube channel. So now that we have our tags and description set up, we can also see the different thumbnails that are out there. We basically just need to go out and create the content. What I recommend is that you upload at least 3 videos per week. The more videos that you can upload per week, the better. And within this alcohol on keto diet, this could be 3, 4, or even 5 videos. What you could do is you could do an overall video with best alcohol on keto diet, and then you could do individual videos for each one of those alcohols. You could do the other videos that I showed you in the keyword research. Just go through all of these because the affiliate program has given you all of this information, and you just go through the process and upload it over and over and over again. One last tip that I recommend is that you add your affiliate link to all of your videos using a default upload. And to do that, you go over to settings, go to where it says upload defaults, and then add in your affiliate link in the description. So that way you don't have to do it over and over again. As you can see, I have a number of links in my description already set up, and then I just copy the description from Morning Fame. As you can see here, I type my description right into Morning Fame, copy it with this copy to clipboard, and then for each individual video, I just upload it on top of my link. So do that and you'll save yourself a bunch of time, energy, and frustration trying to find your affiliate links from over on Bitly. So make sure that you use the upload default because it'll help you save some time. Another way to start getting traffic fast with YouTube is with a review video. So what you're going to do here is you are just going to copy the name of the product, click copy, and then we're going to paste that over in YouTube, paste there, and then review. As you can see, people are doing this. Custom keto diet review. When I click on it, you're gonna see people doing this because before someone buys, they jump over to YouTube to make sure that it works. As you can see, the top result has 6.1 thousand views. This person only has 2,000 subscribers. Below that, this person only has 2 subscribers. 66 reviews, I should say 2.4 thousand subscribers. I don't want to disrespect Be Free like that, but as you can see, people are doing this. And then if we type in 2021 again, you'll see that this changes. The top result is, as you can see, 9 views, a refuge of himself from 1 month ago, 6 views, and so on. But people are doing this and you can start making passive income. Another thing that you can do is you can type in versus to see if there are other options here. So custom keto diet versus Atkins. This is another opportunity to start making passive income. The top result, 36,000 views, 23,000 views, and so on. This works because people are very close to buying and they just want confirmation that what they're purchasing or what they want to purchase is the best source for them. Here's a bonus for making it this far in the video. I want to give you a free landing page for the custom keto diet. This is just a way of saying thank you for making it this far. It's unannounced, it's unadvertised, and a lot of people aren't going to know why you're doing it. So in order to get this bonus, comment yes right now, and I will send you a landing page for the custom keto diet to collect email addresses. Now that you know how to promote Clickbank products on YouTube, I want you to click the first link in the description to learn my #1 recommended way to start a full-time business online. Go to alstongodbolt.com/start or click the first link in the description to access this free training right now. Also check out these videos next to learn more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, as I share different ways to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.